Class the 10th. Subject: History and Political Science. Chapter number 5. Mass Media and History. Think about it. What could be the method of sending a news to Delhi if there were a famine in Bihar in the Mughal period? How much time would it take for the aid to reach Bihar after the Badshah heard the news? Introduction to mass media. Mass media is made up of two words. The word mass refers to a large group of people. Media means the different ways we use to communicate. So mass media means communication that reaches many people at once. With the help of media, we can easily send information to people far away. In ancient times, a person called a crier would walk through the streets beating a drum and shouting important news as instructed by the king. This news would then spread from person to person by word of mouth. History of mass media. Printing technology and newspapers were introduced in India after the arrival of the British. People started receiving printed news through newspapers. Newspapers became the first mass medium of circulating information and knowledge among people. Newspapers. A newspaper is a publication that mainly prints news, editorials, public opinions, entertainment, and other useful content. It is published and delivered regularly at a fixed time. Newspapers share local, national, and international news. They also act as historical records that keep a written account of current events. Precursors of newspapers. Before the Common Era, Egypt had a tradition of placing royal decrees, official orders, as inscriptions in public places. Similarly, Emperor Ashoka also used this method to communicate with his people. In the Roman Empire, royal orders were written on paper and distributed across different regions. These messages also included updates about various events happening in the country and its capital. During the rule of Julius Caesar, a kind of newspaper called Acta Diurna, which means daily acts, was displayed in public places in Rome. It was a powerful method to inform people about government decisions. By the 7th century CE, royal messages were publicly shared with people in similar ways. In England, printed handouts were occasionally distributed to inform the public about wars or important events. Travelers from distant places would often add dramatic elements to their stories and share them with locals. Also, kings' ambassadors, who were stationed in various regions, used to send back important news to the royal court. Bengal Gazettes. The first English newspaper of India was printed on 29th January 1780. It was named Calcutta General Advertiser, also known as Bengal Gazette. It was started by James Augustus Hickey, an Irish gentleman. Want to watch the full animated chapter with notes and test series? Then download the Hope Publications app, your smart companion for Class 10 Maharashtra Board. Learn easily, understand deeply, and score higher. Remember, smart learning, bright future. Download link is given in the description below. Start your journey of smart learning today.
इंट्रोड्यूसिंग होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 10th के लिए एक कंप्लीट डिजिटल लर्निंग सोल्यूशन। यहाँ मिलते हैं साइंस, हिस्ट्री और ज्योग्राफी एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियोस, चैप्टर नोट्स, टेस्ट सीरीज और माइंड मैप, सब कुछ एक ही ऐप में।
बच्चों के कॉन्सेप्ट्स अब बहुत आसानी से क्लियर हो रहे हैं और हर टॉपिक अच्छे से समझ में आने लगा है। अब स्टूडेंट सिर्फ सुनते ही नहीं, समझते भी है, क्योंकि होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप बनाता है पढ़ाई को इंटरैक्टिव। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने मेरे बच्चे की पढ़ाई को आसान और मजेदार बना दिया है। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
अब पढ़ाई बोरिंग नहीं, होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप है ना। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप से मेरी प्रिपरेशन हो रही है टॉप क्लास।
अब नोट्स ढूंढने की टेंशन खत्म, सब कुछ इस ऐप में रेडी है।
साइंस, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी सब एक जगह, एक ऐप पर।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने हमारी स्कूल की पढ़ाई का लेवल ही बढ़ा दिया है। अब हर क्लास डिजिटल बन रही है।
हर सब्जेक्ट, हर कॉन्सेप्ट अब आपकी उंगलियों पर। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप डाउनलोड करें आज ही।